Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. Today I'm going to show you how to upgrade your PCV valve on your N54 powered BMW. So if your N54 is smoking, don't automatically assume that it's your turbo seals going bad. It could be as simple as your PCV valve. My friend up in Canada actually recommended this to me to do as preventive maintenance once he found out that I was doing upgraded turbos, because he has a friend up there that was experiencing issues. So this is an aluminum PCV valve that has two functions. When you've done upgraded turbos, you want to replace this because the stock one can leak past about 25 psi or 26 psi from what I've read. Or if you're smoking or burning oil, this could be your culprit. So we're going to go ahead and get the engine cover removed, and I'll show you where it's located. Be ready with a cloth. You're going to have to remove this injector line to be able to get access to the PCV. So the nut going to the injector, I just loosened it. I didn't actually undo it all the way. So come back here now. That way you can move it out of the way. I'm using a 13 wrench to unscrew this. And my car has been shut off for a while, so it's not going to prime the fuel pump. I don't have to worry about fuel spraying. But if you really want to be safe, you can disconnect your battery. There's the cap. There's an O-ring in here that stayed in place. Here's a look at the stock PCV valve. They can jam up, or they can cause your car to leak, or allow boost to leak because it's only plastic. Here's the aftermarket solution. It's just going to press right in there. Next up, I'm going to reach in here and grab the O-ring. So I've just put the O-ring back on this piece here where it belongs. So you got to insert the valve in here. But I noticed there's some burrs from the factory when they cast this piece right on the edge that I'm going to shave away with an X-Acto knife to make it fit. So you may find that on yours as well, where it seems like it won't go in, but you just got to get rid of a couple burrs that are on the end here with an X-Acto, hardly anything. Then you can slot this right in here. Fits like that. I put a bit of grease around the O-ring, and like I said, I brought the O-ring back out to this piece here just to make sure it goes smoothly. Now we'll bring this new assembly over here. Start it by hand. It's plastic, so don't go crazy cranking it down. Now we'll bring the injector line back over. Be careful when you're cranking down on the injector, because you're supposed to technically hold the bottom of it with a 13. So there you have it, one of the easier upgrades you can do to your N54. If you're losing boost or you're smoking, do this first. I'd recommend it for high mileage cars or anybody that's pushing more than about 18 psi. If you're going upgraded turbos or to a custom tune for 22 psi, etc. These are relatively cheaply made, and you really should replace this for maintenance anyway. If you're going to bother, don't bother with this piece, get the upgraded piece. So I'll put a link in the description for where you can buy one of the upgraded steel PCV valves. It's just good general maintenance if you've never even looked into it or thought about it before you ever have a problem. And it will be an affiliate link. So anyway, thanks for watching, guys. If this is the first video you're catching of mine, consider subscribing. I do upload regularly. Thanks. Wow.